Hello students, today we are going to deal with lesson 5. I pronounce. Let's start. Well, look at the pictures. We are going to match sentences, these three sentences with the right picture. First one is, he can ride the bicycle. Number 2, I can't lift weight. 3, she can skate. Look, yes, what's number 1? Yes, number 1 is with this picture. He can ride the bicycle. Number 2, I can't lift weight. I can't lift weight, right? And the last one, of course, she can ski. What you remark? Here we use modal can and can't. So, what do we talk about here? What do we talk about here? Of course, we talk about ability and inability. استطاعة عدم قدرة. So, to express ability, we use the modal word can. And the opposite of can is cannot or can't. Let's see. To express ability and inability, we can use can or can't. The form. Number 1, ability. We use the subject, the modal word can, and we have the verb, should be in an infinitive. Example, I can play hockey. Number 2, inability, subject plus can't plus verb. Example, she can't run fast. The interrogative form is, we start with can, then the subject and the verb. Example, can you cook? Now, let's practice. Can or can't? Look at the pictures and give the correct answer using can or can't. Number 1, what can you say? I use the laptop. Say I. Good one. I can use the laptop. Number 3, she play guitar. We say she can play guitar. What about the next one? He fix his bike. So he say he can't fix his bike. The next picture is he swim. We say he can swim. Look at this boy. We say this boy can't run. And the last picture is they can cook. They can cook. Alright? Now we're going to see how to pronounce can and can't. The instruction is it strong or weak? Do we have, when you pronounce can, do we pronounce it with the stress and bshida or not? What you do, you are going to listen to a script and identify the sound. Let's start.
Sequence 1. Script 1.6. Is it strong or weak? Listen and identify the sound of the modal verb can. 1.
Can a lazy person be active?
No, he can't.
2.
Can she understand maths?
Yes, she can.
3.
What can pleasant people have?
They can have many friends.
Alright, let's identify the sound of the modal word can. Number 1. A. Can a lazy person be active? Is it strong or weak? So, yes, it is weak. Yes, the symbol is like this. The answer? No, she can't. Of course, it is strong. This symbol can't. Number 2. Can she understand math? It is weak. Yes, she can. Yes, she can. Here, the sound is, or the modal can is strong. And 3. What can pleasant people have? It is weak. And the last one, they can have many friends. They can have many friends. It is weak. Let's see. When we use the weak form of can or the strong form. Let's see. Can is pronounced can. It is weak form can. In question and in the middle of statement. This symbol can is the weak form of can. Can is pronounced can at the end of a short answer to yes and no questions. This symbol is strong form of can. It's can. So, can't is pronounced can't in British English. This is the strong form of the modal can't. It has no weak form. Let's practice. We are going to read and tick the correct pronunciation of the words in bold. We have 3 sentences. According to the rule, you try to pronounce the modal can't or and can correctly. Okay? So, now let's read together and identify. I can't do my homework. I'm not good at geography. Yes, of course, it is can't. 2. This is an interesting website. You can download many apps. It is weak form. Yes, you can download many apps. Number 3, it's a yes and no question. Say, can you play a musical instrument? I repeat, can you play a musical instrument? It is a weak form. You can answer it. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. It's a strong. Or, last one, no, I can't. It is strong. Okay, now we deal with the second part of I pronounce. Right? Look here. Here we have a list of words that's finished with S. Together we try to identify the sound of the final S. Let's start. First list. Ups, interest, stops, roofs, months, loves. What sound? It is S. List 2. Boys, believes, puzzles, sudokus, flamingos, mangas. Here the sound is Z. Alright? The last list is classes, quizzes, washes, garages, matches, foxes. The sound that we pronounce it is. So when we pronounce this or the final as S, Z, and is. The first part is the final S is pronounced S when it comes after P, T, K, or Q, or C, like electronic, electronic. F, F, GH, we pronounce it F, and TH as Th. Example, boutiques, boutiques, tariffs. Look here, we have K, and here we have F, so we pronounce it S. Second one, it's the final S is pronounced is when it comes after S, double S, SH, CH, X, Z, and J. Example, beaches, oranges. Number 3, the final S is pronounced Z when it comes after B, D, M, N, G, or M, L, R, and V. Example, stars. Look here, we have R. So, S here is pronounced Z, stars. Auditions. N and S. We have auditions here, we pronounce it Z. Fourth case, the final S is pronounced also Z when it comes after a vowel sound. Look, here we have plays. Play. What's the sound that you hear? It's A. So when you add S, you pronounce it Z. Plays. Movie. Movie. E. So say movies. Movies. And the last one, key. The sound here, the vowel sound, it's E. So we say keys. Now, let's practice. Task 1. What's the pronunciation of the final S? Is it S, Z, or is? Here are some words. I need them without S. Profile, holiday, trip, hobby, sketch, comic, web page. You read them with the S and you try to identify the correct sound of the final S. Do the task. Let's correct. Number 1, profile. Profiles. You say profiles. Here, what's the sound? It is Z. Good one. Holiday. Holidays. So, here it is Z. Holiday is end with the vowel sound A. So, it is Z. Trip. It's end with P. So, we say trips. It is Z. Good one. Hobby. Hobbies. It is Z. Sketch. Sketches. Here we spell it is. And comic. Comic, you say comics. And the last word is web pages. It is. Well, now I'm going to do the second task. Read the following text and pick out or sort out 4 words to complete the following table according to the pronunciation of the final S. S, Z, is. You notice that in the first list or the first column we have only 1 word, and the second one you have 2, and the third we have only 1. Here only 1 you don't add, because in the exams if you add another one which is false, everything will be all this false. Is it clear? Alright, you read the text. Fairfires is an Indian horror television series which started in June 2012 on ZTV. It was created by Dreams, Images and Isal Vision Productions. The shows focus on stories of mysterious events that sometimes take place in our lives. What you do? You read carefully and try to sort out according to what we have seen. Well, now let's deal with the correction. Look here. Fair files. The word files. What's the sound here? Good. It is Z. Files. Files, it's a Z. Right? It's end with Z. Is an Indian or television series. Series, here series. Here we have with the sound is Z, which started in June 2012 on ZTV. It was created by Dreams Images. Images. Here it is. And Isel Vision Productions. Production we can put it here, but we have only 2 words. The shows, it's similar. The shows, it is with the. Focus on stories. It's with the sound the. Mysterious. Also, it's with the sound the. Events. Event, it's end with T. So, it is events. The sound is that sometimes it will sound the take place in our lives. The last word lives, it's also with the sound. Thank you very much for your attention.
شكرا على المشاهدة. لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة، الضغط على الجرس، الإعجاب بالفيديو.